23 minutes past 7. We're going to continue a conversation we tried to pick up last week with Tertius Wessels. He's the legal director of Strata-G and offering a wonderful option at the moment for you business owners out there trying to understand what to do with your workforce. Welcome, Tertius, to Breakfast with Rifilwe. Talk to us about this offering that we're getting from Strata-G.
Good morning, Rifilwe, and good morning to your listeners. So, Strata-G Labour Solutions realizes that there are many employers out there that don't necessarily have the time or expertise to deal with complex staff-related issues and compliance issues from an employment perspective, especially during the lockdown period. So what we have decided to do is to offer corporate South African employers out there a free service offering whereby employers can make use of a hotline or various hotlines, and during this for free, there's no charge except the standard call rates that apply. And these hotlines are there to provide employers with legal guidance on how to deal with labor-related issues that might arise during the lockdown period.
Fantastic. Now, you've got a team of a full 6 experts available. Talk to us about how to access this insight.
So employers can either contact any of the 6 consultants that have made their time available to deal with queries by contacting them on their direct cell phone numbers. Maybe that's something that you can share with your listeners on the platform. Or all queries can be directed via email to ir@strategy.co.za.
Indeed, and it's Strata-G. For anybody typing it up. Now, Tertius, as my understanding of the solutions that you're providing, it's between 8 and 5 on weekdays. However, the actual reason we weren't able to speak last week is that at 20 past 6 in the morning, you were assisting one of your clients.
That's correct. Since we've launched the hotline on the 1st of April, we've been inundated with queries, and it's quite concerning to see that there are a number of employers that are not sure what they need to do for their employees during the lockdown, but more specifically, what employers are thinking about doing after the lockdown period. Obviously, a lot of non-essential businesses are feeling the pinch, so to speak, by not being able to trade, and they want to contemplate alternatives to be able to operate after the lockdown, especially now that it's also been extended. Absolutely.
And is it possible that as an employee I can approach you, or is this purely a business service?
This is mostly a business service open up for employers. We find that a lot of employees direct their queries to their employers, and they want answers from their specific employers. So we found that the most effective way of dealing with it, instead of dealing with 100 individual queries about the same thing, is for employers to consolidate the queries that they're receiving from their employees, to put it forward, make use of this hotline, and get advice on how to deal with the queries that they're receiving from their employees.
Well, it's a fantastic service that you're putting forward here, Tertius. So thank you so much for being willing to talk to us again. So Strata-G, so ir@strata-g.co.za is the email to send your query to. Otherwise, you can, from the website, find their hotline number and get in touch with them for legal consultation between 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. Mondays to Fridays. Tertius, thank you so much, Advocate Tertius Wessels, for joining us on Breakfast with Rifilwe and offering this fantastic service.